Beauty sleep is seriously underrated. You know, I am obsessed with sleeping 8 to 9 hours a day. In fact, I'll go as far as to say that the best skincare tip I have for you is to sleep. You know, it's essential to being alive, by the way, and I don't mean to sleep at 2 a.m. and wake up at 2 p.m. To be beautiful and healthy, you need to follow the circadian rhythm. Like the cicada, bugs. Just kidding. But on another note, beauty sleep is real. I guarantee it. During the sleep cycle, skin cells work to repair damaged DNA. We all know about the sunscreen doctrine, how it prevents UV rays from damaging skin cells by preventing oxidative stress. But did you know that skin does repair its own damaged DNA? This is why the older you get, the higher the risk of developing skin cancers. Biological and chronological aging slows down the DNA repair process. Sleep also helps to rejuvenate cell mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of skin cells. There is scientific evidence that backs up skin dullness and lack of radiance in sleep-deprived skin. And it isn't just psychological. Well, studies have proven that sleep deprivation is inversely correlated with perceived facial attractiveness. The real reason is that human beings are hardwired to pick up signs of fatigue in, guess what? The eyes. So I've prepared here my list of 5 must-haves when it comes to getting a good night's rest. How I wake up with good skin every morning. First of all, I make sure to sleep by 9 and I also wake up by 6. You see, your biological clock follows the circadian rhythm, which is the sunrise and sundown pattern. Our body's physiological responses and processes follow that too. And this ensures your cells are optimally rested, and so they can focus on fighting the bad guys such as pollution, stress, and UV damage in the daytime. Tip number 2, I would choose cooling bed linen. If you live in tropical humidity like I do, your body does heat up quite a bit when you sleep. So pure cotton works well, but I would suggest to choose higher thread counts which are gentler on skin. Silk bed linen may be luxurious, but in my opinion, it isn't exactly practical when it comes to laundering. The other thing is that your pillowcase does make a difference, so use silk pillowcases. In my case, I use one with copper silk, which gives extra anti-aging skin benefits. I would consider sleeping without the AC. While it's true that AC is bad for those with allergies, asthma, and eczema, it truly does dry out the skin barrier, and it's no different when you sleep. So what happens essentially is evaporation of water from the skin. We call that transepidermal water loss, which is the loss of skin moisture via the epidermis. My advice is to just sleep with a fan. That's better for your skin and also healthier for the environment. Your skin will wake up feeling and looking more moisturized without sleeping mask, and it's completely free. My final tip is to always have a sleep ritual. I recommend the following. First of all, having a set skincare routine, incorporating massage, for instance, a jade roller, to relax your facial muscles, increase blood circulation, as well as tone the face. Wear comfortable sleepwear, and that can include sleeping eye masks, which can further help you get a good night's rest. If you enjoy essential oils, aromatherapy can improve overall well-being and aid relaxation. A bedtime relaxing activity, for instance, 15 to 20 minutes of journaling, gratitude, practice, as well as coloring activities, all that can help you get into a relaxed, mindful state and reduce feelings of anxiety or other mood problems. I would avoid tea or caffeine 6 hours before bedtime, and that is the conventional wisdom. But the other thing I feel is also overlooked is not going to bed on a full stomach. So have dinner at least 4 hours before bedtime.